Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had that suspicion that the delivery man may have mistreated your package?
Sounds broken.
Most likely, sir. I'll bet it was something nice, though.
This box here's like 50 potatoes or 110 US pounds. And right here, it says over 50 pounds, team lift required. Well, it seems to be that, 100's over 50. One dude dropped this off, and it kind of looked like this. Kind of aggravates me sometimes. I don't know if everything's in there, Stuff could have fallen out of here. I'm gonna have to open this thing up and look at it. I think I hit a piece of metal. I've never had one do that before. Oh. Dang it, how am I going to get this open now?
Didn't you go overboard with that?
No.
Didn't know you needed a chainsaw to get a cardboard box open.
I can't beat myself out of a wet paper bag, dear. You think I'm going to get through cardboard? That stuff's like armor plating. These things are some units. Thought about building these, but for the price and my time, see, I can't get that out of there. Can you help me?
Better get the chainsaw.
That's gonna, oh, wait. There we go. That would have taken too long to fix the chainsaw.
You just gotta be smarter than the box.
Dear, why do you always make me sound stupid?
You just opened a cardboard box with a chainsaw.
Isn't that normal?
No.
Oh. Well, everything appears to be here. Oh, I'm gonna have to send them back. Look at that. The paint's all messed up on this one.
Gee, I wonder how that happened.
Yeah, it must have been that delivery guy. Oh. Well, guys, these are the Sunex 1410s. These are the tall, heavy-duty ones. I have a couple plans for these, so I just have to see what I do with them. Hey guys, I noticed something while I was editing the video. The pin doesn't go down here. This is far too light. I just wanted to point that out. It goes up here. That's how tall those things go. That is pretty good and tall. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?